We have recently talked about the benefits of sage essential oil to our health. Sage has anti-inflammatory, anti-rheumatic, balsamic, healing, digestive, anti-sudorific, antiperspirant, and tonic actions. It is a medicinal plant that can be used to treat many diseases, such as bronchitis or gingivitis, or even to season food. This plant is also great to fight the hot flashes of menopause in a natural way. And that's why in today's video we will show you 10 benefits of sage tea. Treats depression, insomnia, and memory loss. Stimulates concentration and eliminates cognitive disorders such as Alzheimer's and dementia. Cures eczema, psoriasis, and acne with regular topical treatments. Stimulates hair growth. Treats digestive issues such as bloating, diarrhea, and heartburn. Alleviates menstrual cramps. Improves immunity. Is great against flu, sore throat, and coughing. Aids in weight loss. Has an antioxidant effect on the body since it helps eliminate toxins, which prevents premature aging, cancer, and heart diseases. Interesting, isn't it? Are you enjoying this video? Then give it a thumbs up to help the channel. To get all these benefits, learn how to make sage tea. This sage tea is very simple to make, so write down the ingredients. 2 teaspoons sage leaves, 8.45 ounces boiling water. Put the sage leaves in 8.45 ounces of boiling water and let it sit for 10 minutes. After that, you can strain and drink, or use it to gargle. Since it has a pleasant taste, the tea doesn't need to be sweetened, but adding some drops of lemon will create a more refined and delicious version of this tea. Since it is caffeine-free, sage tea can be drank either hot or cold at any time of the day. So, did you like learning the benefits of sage tea? Even though it is very common, sage can have some side effects, such as increased blood pressure, irritated skin, and reduced heart rate. Besides that, sage can't be used during pregnancy and breastfeeding or by people with hormone-dependent tumors, central nervous system diseases, or with kidney or heart issues. People who take hormones such as birth control, hypoglycemic drugs, anticonvulsants, or sedatives must also avoid sage. Now tell us, have you ever tried sage tea? Share your opinions with us.